In today's video, I will teach you how to turn a photo into a comic book art in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a comic book art from a photo in GIMP can give your images a unique and artistic look. Follow these steps to achieve this effect. To prep your photo, open GIMP and load your photo. Then name the layer Original. Then perform any necessary color correction and exposure adjustments. Blurriness or noise is acceptable as it can add character to the final image. Now duplicate the original layer and name the new layer Ink. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Colors, then Threshold. Then adjust the slider to find an appealing set of black areas, focusing on contours, textures, and overall mood. And avoid making eyes look dark or obliterating important details. This step defines the darkest regions of your image. Now duplicate the original layer and move it to the top of the layer stack. This time, name it Lines. With the Lines layer selected, go to Filters, Edge Detect, then Difference of Gaussians. Then adjust the radius to 1 for line thickness. Start with a value of 12 and adjust between 7 to 30 as needed. Now go to Colors, then Threshold, then slide the slider to the right until the lines appear without excessive noise. Then erase any unwanted lines or noisy regions. Now set the Lines layer mode to Multiply. Then merge the Lines layer with the Ink layer. Then go to Colors, then Levels, and set the output level on the right to 240. Then duplicate the original layer and move it to the top and name it Color. Then set the layer mode to Color. Then duplicate the original layer again and move it to the top and name it Sat. Then set the layer mode to Saturation. Then adjust the opacity of the Sat layer to around 50 to 70% for the desired effect. And for final touch-ups on the Ink layer, you can go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and use a radius of 1 or 2. And for the Sat layer, go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and use a radius of about 11. Then blur the color layer if necessary to avoid ghostly details. Then adjust the opacity of both the color and Sat layers for a subtle airbrushed color effect, avoiding a photo overlay look. By following these steps, you can transform your photo into a striking piece of comic book art using GIMP. Adjust the settings as needed to suit your image and achieve the best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.